This tiny little drywall hanger claims to be able to hold up this 50-pound dumbbell. So let's put it to the test.
Oh, I need to hit the gym.
Now these are designed to hang picture frames, mirrors, decor, stuff like that. This is just for illustrative purposes. These are the 3M CLAW Drywall Picture Hangers. 3M was gracious enough to sponsor this video and sent me these to test out. And they come in a variety of different pound ratings, up to 65 pounds. Now they claim all you have to do is mark the location, push them into place with your thumbs, and hang your item on the wall. No tools, no stud finders, no nothing. So let's see how well they work. I've been remodeling our entryway and my wife decided that she wants to hang this heavy mirror over our buffet table, so I'd say this mirror probably weighs about 25 pounds. I'm going to use the 25-pound option and see how it does. Inside the package you'll find a bunch of claws. You'll also find these temporary spot markers, which I'll get to in a second, and you'll find an instruction manual that tells you how to install based on the different types of things that you might be hanging. So step one, just like it says on the package, is to mark the location that you're going to be hanging your object. Now in this case, I'm hanging this mirror and it has a wire on the back of it, so I need to figure out the highest point of the wire. The instructions outline how to use the temporary spot markers, which have adhesive on the back of them, but the gist is that you remove the adhesive off of both sides and apply it to the back of whatever it is that you're hanging, and then you press that up against the wall. When you pull the frame or mirror off of the wall, the spot marker will stay, and that gives you a mark for where you need to place your hanger. So just mark your spot with the pencil and then peel off the spot marker. From there, we'll line up our 3M claw hanger with our point on the wall, and then all you need to do is press it in place with your thumbs. And then lastly, I can get the mirror hung up on the wall by hanging the wire inside the little clip on the drywall hanger, leveling everything out, and looks good to go. It appears nice and strong and more than enough support for this mirror, which is great. Now, if you can't tell from the random paint swatch on the wall, this room is not completely finished, and it won't be this color. The nice thing about the 3M claw hangers is that they leave very minimal impact to the wall, unlike traditional drywall hangers and some other things that can be hard to patch. You can simply pop them off the wall, and then it just leaves behind these tiny little holes that you can easily patch with a little bit of patching compound. And it's like it was never there. I've been using the claw hangers all around the house to hang a bunch of stuff. I even went over and hung a few things for my neighbors as well. None of these items weigh more than 45 pounds though, and their largest hanger claims it can carry up to 65 pounds. So let's put it to the test. I don't have much lying around that weighs 65 pounds, but I do have some dumbbells. This might be a terrible idea, but we're gonna give it a shot. Well, there's 50 pounds, about 15 pounds short. So I guess we gotta add more weight. There's another 10 pounds. I don't really feel good about it, but we're gonna try it and hope that it doesn't snap. Now these are designed to hang picture frames, mirrors, decor, stuff like that. This is just for illustrative purposes. There's 60 pounds. I think I'm just gonna take their word for it that it's good for the other 5, because yeah, I don't really want to test it until failure, because I don't want to drop the weights. I don't want the thing come flying out the wall at me. You know, I trust them. I'd say it's good for 65. So there you go. That's the line of 3M CLAW Drywall Picture Hangers, and they seem to work as advertised. Thanks to 3M for providing the claws for me to test out in this video. If you guys want to check them out for yourself, I'll leave links to them down below. Make sure you're subscribed and following along on all the social media platforms at Mr. Fix It DIY, and I'll see you guys next time.